All right, so let's talk about knowing when's a good time to actually shift from, your job to possibly trading futures for a living full time. Okay. And even if you want to do it from a part-time basis, a lot of you already know that it's very possible you can do this. But there are things that you need to educate yourself on and learn and prepare yourself on before you make that, full on switch or start doing it even part-time. No one wants to lose a bunch of money or start throwing a bunch of money into their brokerage account and then, start taking hit after hit after hit. So there is a systematic and logical standpoint or way to tackling this industry or business to make sure you can come out of it unscathed and profitable. When I say unscathed, I mean not blowing your whole account. But so let's talk about some signs. What are some telltale signs that will help lead you in the right direction and let you know, okay, now is the time for me to start possibly transitioning over and with the urge of wanting to trade futures full time for a living, how you can go about doing so and, shift from working that 9-to-5 job or maybe a shift level job and prepare yourself to really start to dig deep and trade futures full time for a living. Now, number one, it starts with and goes back to what I've always been stressing and talking about here on this video, or not this video, but the channel, is what? Market structure. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing that term, but I'm never am going to get tired of hearing it because without market structure, I am moving my way through the markets in a dark path or in a dark environment because I have no way of being able to understand what's taking place, what's going on. I need to be able to read the market to understand which way to trade. It's like, all lights are off and you're just walking and not knowing which direction to turn or walk to. Should I go left? Should I go right? Should I go straight? So you have to have something giving you some insight on which way to actually trade. All right. That insight comes from the banks and institutions setting up the footprint or path that helps us gauge which way we need to be trading because we want to trade with them and not, against them. Master the concept of market structure. Now, to anyone that is struggling with that concept, I did a video on this. And those who are elite channel supporters, you have gained access to, you already watched it. A lot of you have commented and said, hey, it's a great video. Watch it, rewatch it several times. Yes. If you want to become an elite channel supporter, all right, the link is down in the description portion of the video. It's very inexpensive to actually become part of a community in which, you can embrace so much content that's more likely is going to help you in your own journey to trading futures, okay? But you get the trade breakdowns. That's the biggest thing. The trade breakdowns are what really where I go into detail about setups that I post over on our Discord community. Our Discord is free for anyone that's interested in joining. It's the first link in the description. The second one is the elite channel supporter. But you get the trade breakdowns, all right? I will be posting again today. I'm going to go ahead and sidebar a video covering the trade setup that I took where I capitalized on 25 points. One trade and done. I talk about that here on this channel. All you need is one good trade setup. Wait patiently for it and you can be done. All right. Don't keep trading 4 and 5 setups because at some point you're going to start to lose your profits. Please listen to me. Listen to what I say and take heed. I know people have the urgency of always wanting to be into a trade. They see something that looks nice. Even when you've already profited and you see another setup, please have some self-control to know when to stop your trading. Okay. All right. Yes, that next trade setup may be nice, but how do you know that the market is not ready? How do you know that they're not ready to start reversing the market? If you made your money for the day, let me say, stop, take your profits and look to see another day. It means trade the next day, okay? So if you want the trade breakdowns, why break setups after setup after setup? There are many videos there. I assure you they probably help out because lots of people who are part of the community have thanked me for making the video content and have continued to push me and urge me, please continue to make this video content. So the trade breakdowns is where it's at. Okay, that's why I break the trades down in detail so that you grasp an understanding of how to take these setups. What was my mindset or thought process behind it all on each one of these trades in these videos. Okay, as well as talking about stop loss placement, structure, profit target areas, what I was thinking. You also get the video playlist and that great video that I covered surrounding market structure. Again, going back to what we originally talked about, first part of this video, mastering market structure. If you cannot simply read the market and understand, hey, we were bullish here, okay? Because if you take a look here, yes, overnight, we had this gap down in the market. Now the market looks like it's trying to regain itself and gain composure by going back up there and maybe filling that gap right here, right? That void. But we are bullish to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, breaking structure higher. And then we got this pullback right here. So far, we haven't really broken through any significant area or of a low, okay? Coming to the downside, meaning like taking out structure to the left-hand side of the chart. The infamous trend reversal pattern, you know, left shoulder head, right shoulder, taking breaking structure below to where we can say we're now, again, moving from a bullish standpoint to a bearish standpoint, following structure. So right now, what are we doing? In my eyes right now, we are moving sideways, okay? Yes, there were plenty of opportunities today, some nice scalps that you could have taken depending on which chart you trade from, okay? Master market structure. That is the number one thing that's going to help you become successful. Master market structure is going to help you lead to consistency, and consistency is going to lead to profitability, okay, over time. All right, so we have to be able to do that. That is number one sign that's going to help you, or step that's going to help you lead you in the right direction. So once you've mastered market structure, the next thing that you really need to work on is profitability, okay? All right, and where does that come from? Profitability comes from, after mastered market structure, having a solid trading plan put in place and a strategy that's either you devise or find one that you can use from somewhere else. There's one right here on this channel. Pretty simple. Or I talk about multi-chart confluence. If you watch the video content, you will catch what I'm talking about, okay? I'm not going to go into detail about the strategy because I do it so much, probably about 90% of the videos here on the channel where I'm walking you through, just kind of switching it up a little bit, showing various examples, you know, but I break this stuff down. And I want to say thank you to all those out there that constantly send me DMs or leave messages on the YouTube and state that this is a channel or community where I can fully understand, or I'm getting detailed information to where this person, they're talking about me, is breaking things down in a way that I can fully understand. All right. I want to say thank you. Okay. I love the comments. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the positivity. Keep it coming. Okay. Because that's what fuels me to keep these videos coming. All right. So you have to become and sustain profitability for a period of time. How long? A month, 2 months? I believe profitability for at least 6 months straight, showing that you can be profitable each month for 6 months. Again, you have to have a solid trading plan, stick to it, adhere to it, do not deviate from it, okay, and have a solid strategy. The strategy is what's going to lead you to the profitability, but you've got to be disciplined, and consistency is the part in which plays a major factor in leading to the road path to profitability. Now, the last thing that I want to touch on right now is people always ask, well, how much money do I need to put away to be able to make that shift, right? Okay, I'm not here to tell anyone how much they need to put away. I'll tell you how much I would personally put away in a sense, and it could be one or the other, but I will lean towards more on the other. Okay, I'm going to say this right now. I would put at least 6 months at a minimum of savings away, okay? All right, so once you become profitable, let's say you're profitable for 6 months and you're able to sustain and put 6 months of profits away. Why? To carry you through maybe some downtimes, okay? Or if you have a losing week, or maybe just possibly lose a month, but you shouldn't have a losing month, okay? Because then that's where it's going to kind of come back to, right back to the beginning. Do I know what I'm really doing or not, right? So put at least, I would say, safely on the minimum side, 6 months of profit, okay, into savings from your trading, okay? Now, if you're doing that part-time, okay, building up an account, 6 months straight profitability, and you're able to put that money away, and it's coming from your trading profits or from your trading, then that's when that's a sign to let you know that you are definitely in the right direction. You understand the concepts. You have proven to yourself you have a solid strategy and a trading plan in place, and now you know that you're profitable. That's where you're really going to have the awakening moment that's really going to fuel you to let you know and give you the answer. I need to start probably doing this. If I want to do it full time, I can do this full time. All right. But comfortably speaking, I will say this. If you can put away, so let's say you make $50,000 a year, $60,000 a year, whatever it is you're making, and you can put that away in 6 months time, Okay, so basically 1 year's worth of salary, you can put it away in 6 months' time, and it is definitely doable with trading futures. Then you know that you're ready on to the next level of being able to know that you can do this full time and tackle this full time, because you've already proven it. I'm not saying 1 month, 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. I'm talking about a month-to-month consistency of at least 6 solid months to where you've proven to yourself that you can become profitable, all right, or profitable. That's when you'll know. Those are going to be the signs to let you know that now it's time for me to possibly start shifting. Again, this is for anyone out there that has interest and want to do this full time. All right, that does mean leaving that 9-to-5 job. And maybe I'm not telling anyone to do that, but maybe that's something that you have a plan or a goal of doing, or maybe you want to continue working your job because you love it so much and you want to do this part-time. You can still do it. But these are the signs that I'm trying to say, that basically 3 signs that are going to let you know, and help you feel comfortable about transitioning or making that switch or move to trading to make a living full-time doing this, okay? So I just want to talk about that today. Maybe that'll help motivate. Maybe that'll help answer some questions for a lot of people that do have questions. This is just my take, my insight. And, of course, I'm not here to tell anyone what to do in their life, what to do with their money, how to go about tackling. I'm just here to share with you my experience and how I actually go about tackling the markets daily, and share with you from my own point of view how I would do certain things from a strategic, mindset, okay, or level. All right. Outside of that, that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate everyone who tunes into the channel each and every day. Again, if you want to become part of the community and join the Discord, the link is down below in the description portion of this video. And right below that is the link that says Elite Channel Supporter. Click on that. 2 tiers will pop up. The second one is the one you want to choose for $6.99 a month. Yes, that's all it is, okay? It's not several $100s or thousands of dollars. Only $6.99 a month. It's going to give you access to all that private community, video content surrounding the trade breakdowns, the video playlist, and that great video that I covered on market structure, okay? But if you're not a current subscriber, please take the time to go ahead and sub by clicking on the sub button down below. Make sure to turn your post notifications on. Why? So you don't miss any of the uploaded content that I drop pretty much on a daily basis, even on the weekends, all right? But outside that, that's all I have. If you do me the biggest favor, if you could do me the biggest favor and drop a like on the video if you found value in today's video content, or if I share some golden nuggets that maybe, give you some food for thought, some things you can jot down to help you in the future, especially those that are achieving, I'm not saying they're unachievable, but are achieving a path to where they're reaching their goals, to where they're almost there, okay? Or even if you're still, if you're in the beginning phase right there, if this video gave you some hope, a shimmer of light, please drop a thumbs up on the video, guys. A like, I definitely appreciate it. Take care, and have, for all those that had a great trading day today, also drop a like just because of that. If you had a decent trading day today, if you learned something from the content or the video content that I've been pushing over the last years now, to be honest with you, but maybe you just became part of the community, drop a like. If what I'm sharing with you has been helping you out, I greatly appreciate it. Take care and see everyone in the next one.